Hi friends, in this video let's have a look at how to manage discounts in Odoo 14 point of sale. So by offering discounts you can attract your customers and increase your revenue, and it is vital to offer discounts whether they are seasonal, time limited or manually given. So Odoo has powerful features to manage discounts. So first let's install the point of sale from Odoo App Store. So you can see this is a dashboard where you can find the bars and shops. So here, let me open the settings of bar. So before making any modification to the settings, make sure that the point of sale session is closed. Okay. So for bars and shops, you can find an option to apply manual discounts and global discounts. So here under pricing section, you can see the option global discounts and manual discounts. So this manual discounts is automatically enabled in every point of sale. So this manual discounts allows to apply discounts per line, that is per order line. Okay, so let's see how we can apply discount on a product that is on a line, order line. So for that, we have to start a new session. Okay, so let me choose a table. So to this table, customer can make orders. You can see the category here. Okay, so I have selected 3 products. So here you can see we can choose a product, and it is possible to choose a number of quantities that you need. Okay, and here you can see the discount option. So just click on that, and after clicking this discount, here you can choose the total percentage of discount that you want to apply on this product. So to club sandwich, here you can provide discount to customer like 25%. So you can see with this product unit price, you can see with a 25% discount. Okay, so it is applied to this product, and same way you can apply this to other that is different line, different product. Okay, so when you click on 5, you can see with a 5% discount. So this is how we give discount on each line, that is on each product. Now we can choose a customer and make the payment. Okay, so after selecting the payment method and when you validate, you can see the preview of the receipt. Okay, so along with the product, you can see the total discount, that is total percentage of discount. Okay, so you can see that much amount is deducted from the total amount. And we can also print the receipt from here. Okay, now let me close this interface. And when you go to orders, so here you can see the orders in that backend. Okay, so you can see Assurant India customers have paid for these products, and in this order line you can see the total discount applied on each product. So you can see on this cheeseburger and club sandwich 5% and 25 respectively is applied respectively. Okay, so in this way you can apply on each line, discount can be applied on each line. Now let me come back to dashboard and close this session because I want to make change to settings. Now when I open settings, okay, so here we have discussed about manual discounts. Next comes the global discounts. That is, this option allows us to apply discounts on orders, that is to the total amount. Okay, let me enable this option. Now save this. So we can start a new session. Okay. Okay, so after choosing the product, so here you can see an option to apply discount on the old order. So you can see by default 10% is set as discount. So you can update it from here. Okay, line 20% on total. So you can see a discount line is added with these products. So you can see the 10% of total amount is 9.68. So this one is deducted from the total amount, and you can see the total here. And okay, so it is given to that customer. Now we can make the payment after choosing the payment method. Can validate it. So you can see the receipt here. So total discount applied that is given to this customer on the order. You can see this much amount is deducted. It is shown. Okay, now let's check the order. Okay, so here you can see the total discount amount. You can see the total discount is added. So here you can see it as a separate line in the order line, product line. Okay, so this is how we apply global discounts on order. And you can also change the default discount amount from the settings. That is, here you can see the option, it is enabled, and here you can see a default product is created and it is set for this option. And you can see the default amount is 10. And if you want to change it from here, you can change it. Okay. So this is how we apply global discounts. Then we can also give discount to customers by setting it inside the price list. So here you can see we have different price lists available. Okay, so this option, advanced price list, allow us to set shop specific prices. We can give seasonal discounts, calculate the price list by using formulas. Okay, so if I go to external link of a price list, you can see the price rules. You can add new price rule from here. So you can see I already have a price rule with 20% discount with a minimum, that is if a customer purchase a product that is minimum 2 quantity of product, then this discount will be given to that customer. So you can see there is an option to set, that is compute the price by percentage. Okay, so you can see the minimum quantity set for this price rule is 1, and it is applied. I'm going to apply it to a product. Okay, cheeseburger. So the customer purchases 1 quantity of cheeseburger. You can see the price computed by percentage. Okay, now I'm saving this. Now when you start a new session, okay, and it's also possible to set time limit, that is a period in the price list, that is validity period. Okay, and if you want to see the discount separately, that is given in the prices separately, you have to make some change to the settings. Okay, that is here we have discount policy. So if you want to view it separately, you have to choose this option, show public price and discount to the customer. Otherwise, the discount will be included in the price. Okay. Okay, so here I'm adding the product acoustic block screen, for which we have created a rule inside the price list. That is, if minimum two quantities purchased, then 20% discount will be given. So when I update the quantity to, you can see amount is reduced. Okay, so this is how we apply discount using price list. That is time limit discount. Okay, and when you check the orders, okay, so you can see the total amount paid from here. So that's all about discounts in Order 14 point of sale. If you have any doubts related to this video, please add your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get latest updates.